Hey fellas, let's check what we have here. We have the Milwaukee M18 VDG degrinder, and I can feel that it's spinning a little bit hard and it smokes when it's not on. Yeah, it's starting to stop and it will start to smoke. So, okay, let's open it and check what can be wrong here. Let's remove the cover, and okay, we have this part, and we can check if this one is spinning easily. Now this one spins easily, so we can consider that this is not this part problem, and the motor seems to struggle to spin. And I will take it out, and we can see the problem here on the armature. It's all burned out or something. It was touching something. Let's check for the inside of the field. Yeah, we have some mark that it was touching on KM. Let's open it and check. Maybe we have some problem with the bearing side. No problem with the bearing. So why it's touching the field? Definitely can see some signs that the field was touched. Even can be seen on the field here. Very strange. Okay, maybe the bearing on the end here is wobbling a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. It's a 605. I think it's the same type of bearing. Oh. You got the bearing out, and yeah, it's a little bit wobbled. And so let's try to mount the new bearing here. I will just put it on the table and slightly and I'm afraid a little bit to hammer strongly, so okay, we got it, and yeah, this one feels really solid and not wobbling. Can it be a problem? I think yeah, that can really be a problem if the bearing is wobble. Yeah. Maybe I will try to clean it a little bit. I will use the brake cleaner here. And maybe help it a little bit. Okay, but this one now I can feel how it spins, and I don't know if it's lighter or not. Okay, it started to smoke. The armor should definitely getting hot. Really strange. Okay, you need to tighten the housing. Okay, let's test it. Okay, so it works, it's good, it was the benefit. Thank you for watching, bye.